हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू फटाफट इंग्लिश विद अभिषेक सर। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में अनुष्का मेरे साथ हैं। वैसे तो अनुष्का कैन ऑफ कोर्स स्पीक इंग्लिश, अंग्रेजी बोल सकती हैं, लेकिन ये भी मैंने देखा है कि कभी कभी गलतियां कर देती हैं, कभी कभी गड़बड़ कर देती हैं। आप लोग भी यदि लर्नर हैं तो आप भी गड़बड़ कर देते होंगे। आज मैं अनुष्का का टेस्ट लेने वाला हूँ और इस टेस्ट को देखकर आप भी सीख सकते हैं कि हमें इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की कैसे प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए। देखते हैं इस टेस्ट में कि अनुष्का को कितने नंबर मिले। अनुष्का पास हुई इस टेस्ट में या अनुष्का फेल हो गई इस टेस्ट में। तो अनुष्का, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, Daddy, I'm ready.
राइट, स्पीक अ बिट लाउडली। थोड़ा जोर से बोलिएगा ताकि लोगों को अच्छे से सुनाई दे, क्लियर सुनाई दे। अनुष्का, डिड यू ईट ब्रेकफास्ट यस्टरडे?
Yes, I ate breakfast yesterday.
डू यू ईट ब्रेकफास्ट एवरी डे?
Yeah, I eat breakfast every day.
डू यू प्रिपेयर ब्रेकफास्ट?
No, I don't prepare breakfast.
Does your grandmother prepare breakfast?
No, she does not prepare breakfast.
So, does your grandfather prepare breakfast?
No, my grandfather does not prepare breakfast.
Does your mom prepare breakfast?
Yeah, she prepares breakfast.
Do you prepare breakfast sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes I prepare breakfast.
Okay. Does your brother prepare breakfast?
No, my brother does not prepare breakfast.
Okay. Do you go to school?
Yeah, I go to school.
अभी तक तो अनुष्का बिल्कुल ठीक चल रही हैं। अभी तक इन्होंने सारे सवालों के जवाब बिल्कुल सही दिए हैं। अनुष्का, did you change your dress yesterday?
Yeah, I changed my dress yesterday.
Do you change your dresses every day?
Yeah, I change my dresses every day.
Does your brother change his dresses every day?
Yeah, he changes his dresses every day.
Okay, what about your daddy? Does he change his dresses every day?
Yeah, he also changes his dresses every day.
Good, well done. Anushka, you're doing quite well. Anushka, are you talking with Abhishek sir?
Yeah, I'm talking with Abhishek sir.
No, you're talking with your dad.
Oh, yeah, I'm talking with my dad.
Okay, are you shooting a video?
Yeah, I'm shooting a video.
No, you are not shooting a video. Your brother is shooting a video. Arinjay, are you shooting a video?
Yes, I'm shooting my video.
Right, he is shooting a video. Are you drawing a painting?
No, I'm not drawing a painting.
Is your mom cooking dinner?
No, my mom is not cooking dinner.
What is your mom doing?
My mom is ironing the clothes.
Okay, have you taken bath?
Yeah, I have taken a bath.
Has your brother taken bath?
Yeah, he also has taken a bath.
Have I taken a bath?
Yeah, you have taken a bath.
Right. Have I changed my dress?
Yeah, you have changed your dress.
Okay, guys, Anushka is doing quite well. I'm quite impressed that she is not making mistakes. Anushka, will you go to school tomorrow? Tomorrow is Monday.
Yeah, I will go to school tomorrow.
Do you take tuitions?
No, I don't take tuitions.
Does your brother take tuitions?
Yeah, he takes tuitions.
He take or he takes?
He takes.
He takes tuitions. Do you change your hairstyle every day?
No, I don't change my hairstyle every day.
Do you brush every day?
Yeah, I brush every day.
Are you eating an ice cream right now?
No, I'm not eating an ice cream right now.
Do you watch movies?
No, I don't generally watch movies.
Okay, what do you watch on TV?
I generally watch a show named Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Oh, I see. You watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Does your brother also watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
Yeah, my brother also watches Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Did you watch any episode yesterday?
Yeah, I watched an episode yesterday.
You watched an episode yesterday.
Yeah.
Do you play sports?
Yeah, I play sports.
Oh, you play sports?
Yes.
Does your brother play sports?
Yeah, he also plays sports.
Guys, they both play sports now. Actually, they do not play sports in the locality or in their residential area, but they play sports in the school. Alright. Anushka, do you play football?
No, I don't play football.
So what do you play?
I generally play basketball and I run.
Oh, you play basketball.
Yeah.
And what about your brother?
He also plays basketball.
He plays basketball. He
Yeah.
knows how to play basketball.
Yeah, he knows.
Anushka, can you prepare pizza?
Yeah, I can prepare pizza.
Huh? You know how to prepare pizza?
Yeah, I know how to prepare pizza.
That sounds weird. Such a little girl, right, can prepare pizza. Guys, can you prepare pizza? So, do you help your mom with chores?
Yeah, I help my mom with chores.
Do you help your mom with kitchen?
Yeah, I sometimes help my mom with kitchen.
Okay. Does your brother help his mom with kitchen?
No, he does not generally help his mom with kitchen.
Does he study?
Yeah, he studies.
He studies.
Yeah.
Do you study?
Yeah, I study.
Okay. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
And what is your brother's favorite subject?
I don't know, maybe maths or English.
I see. Can he speak English?
Yeah, he can speak English.
Do you practice?
Yeah, I practice.
Does your brother practice?
No, he does not practice.
He does not practice. He is very confident.
Yeah.
Right. After this video, I'm going to take his test. अब मैं उसका भी टेस्ट लेने वाला हूँ. देखते हैं वो कितनी गलतियाँ करता है. Right. So Anushka, I'm impressed with you. You're doing quite well. I'll give you 10 out of 10. So guys, आपने भी देख लिया कि हम प्रैक्टिस कैसे करते हैं. अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि कमेंट्स में जाएं और आप भी अनुष्का को मार्क्स दें. You can give her 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, whatever you feel like. जो आपका मन करे वो आप इन्हें स्कोर दे सकते हैं. मैं चेक करना चाहता हूँ और इन्हें भी दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि इनकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी रही. तो आई होप यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो. यदि आप इस वीडियो को पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा. नोटिफिकेशन बेल को दबाकर ऑल पर भी क्लिक कर लीजिएगा और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे नए नए वीडियोस देखते रहिए और घर बैठे बैठे अंग्रेजी सीखते रहिए. मिलते हैं आपसे फिर एक नई वीडियो के साथ. थैंक यू.